links. Pretty pathetic. My first appetizer, 2 mushroom soups, and a corn chowder. Terry got nothing.
Nothing.
Terry got
Oh, God, yeah.
all right. Terry got the prime rib, and I got a double order of the kids' spaghetti with lots of sauce. I got a banana split. Terry got a banana split.
Get her food over there. Get Gloria's quick blood. You and I get a picture of your food.
And that's sugar in a bowl.
Any card you like? So remember the card and show it to everybody.
Show it to us.
And show it to the camera.
Oh, okay.
Everybody get it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just say stuff whenever you want. Oh, here, okay, good. Loose it inside of the deck, just like that. And I'm gonna do one simple shuffle, okay? Like that. Simple, right? Nothing fancy. Good. I'm gonna do the magic move, the wizard move.
Wow, nice.
That's the wizard move. And if I snap, the card going down is on the top. Is this a card?
Right?
6 of spades.
Is that it? I thought it was 8.
I thought it was 8.
I'm sorry?
8.
8? Oh, let me try one more time. It's not the 6, right? No. Not the 6 of spades. Okay, put your finger here on the 6 of spades, okay? Now I'm gonna shuffle one more time and then just gonna say stop. Oh, put your finger here. You gotta say stop one more time.
Stop.
You stop here. Look, you're holding the 6 of spades, right? Now if I wave here, slowly, now I'm holding the 6 of spades. Take a look at the card.
Good job.
witch.
Yes, I'll put a spell on you.
You already did. About 34 years ago.
I'm a good witch now. I'm
Anyway.
a good witch, right?
Yep. Anyway, we just saw Valerie Storm. We've seen her many times, and we saw her in Clearwater, Florida one time.
Yeah, we
And
like her. She's one of our favorite comedians.
hilarious. So sweet. All right, so today was a casino day for me all day, and a pool day for her. And tomorrow we're going to be in Cozumel, but there's like 60% chance of rain.
So we don't know if we're going to go to Mr. Sanchez's. We don't know.
We lose $5, but that's it. So anyway, so we're going to go to 99.
After our chocolate martini.
All right. So again, we'll see you in the morning. We get to Cozumel, and this
So
ship,
good.
and this ship is a rockin'.
So good.
It's a rockin' all over the place.
Cheers.
So, all right. Good night.